Welcome to our channel, where we explore science in a simple and meaningful way. During summer, everyone feels uncomfortable because of rising temperatures. Even when the temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, it sometimes feels like 45 degrees or more. Why does this happen? What is really happening to your body and to our planet? Today, we're going to understand this step by step. Our normal body temperature is around 37 degrees Celsius. But the heat you feel outside is not just about temperature, it's about how your body cools itself. There are two types of heat: dry heat and humid heat. Dry heat is uncomfortable, but humid heat can be dangerous. Your body cools itself by sweating. When sweat evaporates, it removes heat from your body. But in humid weather, the air already contains a lot of moisture, so your sweat cannot evaporate. It just stays on your skin, and your body keeps getting hotter. Scientists measure this using something called wet bulb temperature. At 35 degrees Celsius wet bulb, even a healthy person sitting in shade cannot survive for long. It's like being in a steam room that never cools you down. And this is already happening in parts of South Asia and the Gulf. When your body overheats, your heart, well, it starts to beat faster. Your kidneys, they produce less urine. Your blood becomes thicker and, honestly, much harder to circulate. And your brain, it starts to fail. This can lead to confusion, slurred speech, even seizures. This is called heat stroke, and it can kill within just a few minutes. Humidity isn't only found near the sea. It can actually come from monsoons, rivers, forests, and even agricultural lands. So yeah, even cities that are far from the coast can experience dangerous humid heat. Here's something very interesting. Space is almost empty and, well, extremely cold, close to absolute zero, about minus 270 degrees Celsius. So how does sunlight make Earth warm? Let's try to understand this clearly. Without any atmosphere, Earth's average temperature would be around minus 18 degrees Celsius, which is honestly completely freezing. But because of gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and especially water vapor, the Earth actually becomes about 33 degrees warmer. This is what we call the greenhouse effect. These gases occur naturally due to processes like evaporation, volcanic activity, decomposition of organic matter, and, other natural biological processes. This natural greenhouse effect is absolutely essential. It keeps Earth warm enough for life. But today, human activities are increasing these gases, making the Earth even hotter. Now let's see how this process actually works, step by step. When sunlight reaches Earth, it passes through the atmosphere. It hits land, water, and even roads. The surface absorbs this energy. Then it sends it back as infrared heat. Now comes the key part. The atmosphere acts like an invisible blanket. It traps some of this heat instead of letting it escape into space. Because of this continuous process, the Earth stays warm enough for life. Now the problem is, we have disturbed this balance. Earth's natural average temperature is about 14 to 15 degrees Celsius, but we have increased it. And, well, there are three main reasons. Okay, so here are the three main reasons. 1. Greenhouse gases. We're adding extra gases from vehicles, factories, and burning fuels. This makes the blanket around Earth thicker, which means more heat gets trapped. 2. Urban heat. Roads absorb sunlight and release heat, and buildings store heat and release it at night. Cities actually become 4 to 8 degrees Celsius hotter than nearby rural areas. This is called the urban heat island effect. 3. Deforestation. Trees naturally cool the air, so cutting them means less cooling and more carbon dioxide. The result? Higher temperatures. Sunlight isn't really the problem here. The real issue is how we have changed Earth's system. We replaced forests with concrete and natural balance with heat-trapping gases. And now, well, we're facing the consequences. Even just a 1 degree Celsius rise has already changed the planet. Before the industrial era, the average temperature was about 14 degrees Celsius. Today, it's roughly 15.1 degrees, and in the future, it could reach 17 to 18 degrees. So, what can we do? On a personal level, it helps to stay hydrated, avoid peak heat hours, and check on elderly people. These simple steps really do save lives. For bigger solutions, we need to plant more trees, improve urban planning, and use cleaner energy. Every small action matters, honestly. The planet isn't broken, we changed it. And that means we can change it again. But only if we actually understand what's happening. Now you understand what's happening and why it matters. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. We've also added some helpful links in the description for a deeper understanding of this topic. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more simple and meaningful science updates.